What kind of fish do you want to catch?
I want a tailfish. I want a tailfish.
A tailfish?
I want to get a tailfish.
What's a tailfish?
If it has so many legs and so many tails, it means that it's a tail leg fish.
A tail leg fish? Wow, I've never heard of that.
I know, I learned it in school.
Alright.
Tailfish. Hey, look at all those quackies. All of them. Look, there's so much quackies.
Oh yeah, I see them. Goodness gracious.
Now, do you think I have to roll this up?
No, I think you're okay. It's almost time.
Watch.
It's almost time.
It's almost time, Kay.
Here. You got somebody.
Is it time, Casey?
He's fighting us. Feel it. Feel it.
I'm gonna try it.
Alright, hold on. There you go. Feel it. Feel it. Wait. He's tugging. Here he is. Oh my gosh!
Whoa!
He got away!
Oh,
We had him! Oh my gosh! He was right there! And then he flapped and said, I'm out of here!
Hey, Morgan. Can you tell me what you're doing? Why?